In front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tab on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock and hit Screen Lock. Finally, pick one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you: numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. Wait 5 seconds to continue. Hit Next. And if you change your mind, don't go back, just tap on Use a different password type and tap on one of those: 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric, or pattern. When you're ready, just create your login method and then repeat it to confirm it. If you want to turn on Fingerprint unlock and add it right away, hit Enable in the pop-up. If you don't, hit Cancel, and if you wish to, do it later from the same section of your settings. Either way, let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!